How to change currency on Steam. What is up everybody? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily change your currency on the Steam application. But before we do that, make sure to hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. So let's just jump right in. First thing you have to do is open up Steam on your PC. And then from here, you're going to have to find the help section that you see on the top. But before you do that, you can go to your profile, manage account, and view my profile. From here, you will be able to see all of your profile info. And then if you click on the account details option, as you can see here, you're going to have to add a payment method to set a country. And if you have moved to a different country, you may be able to update your Steam wallet and how you view the Steam store. This also includes the currency. So if you want to update your country, just click on Update Store. So what happens is your country is a part of Steam account settings, and your country is settings is affected on what you see on the Steam, the currency that you see in prices in, and the currency of your wallet as well. So if you're unable to complete your purchase using the payment method in the region, and if you have moved out, you're going to have to contact Steam support. So click on it. Then from here, you're going to have to go ahead and scroll down till you find contact Steam support. And from here, you could simply select the country of your current residence and change it. So after you've done that, briefly explain why you've moved there, for how long, and then click on send. You could also attach a file if you want. And once they approve, your Steam currency will change, and your the things that you see on the Steam store will also be changed. That's how you change currency on Steam. If this was helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.